Hi guys! In this video, I'm going to teach y'all how to get any game from Steam for no cost of money. First, let me show y'all all of the games I got with this method. This includes latest games to big AAA titles like GTA 5, Red Dead Redemption 2. See, I could even install them and play them with no problem. I even got Wallpaper Engine via this tool. Now let me show you all how you can do this on your PC. Remember, this will be only on your local PC. If anyone else have your account, they won't see these games. Now click on the link I pinned in the comments for this page and click on projectlightinginstaller.exe, which is in blue. I already have this downloaded and installed, so I am not going to skip this part, but you all have to do it in order for the app to be installed. This is how the app looks like. Don't worry, not a virus. It may get false flagged, but you don't need to turn off your antivirus. I have the app pinned in my taskbar. You can search for it in Siege Bar, type Lightning or Project Lightning for it to open, and you can pin it too, like me. Now click on Settings in the app. Click Install from here. Now click on Steam Installation Path and select Steam folder. I'm going to show you where it is located. It's usually at C, Program Files, Steam. Now let me show you how to add a game. So you need to put the game app ID in this box to get the app ID. Click on SteamDB. I am going to add BeamNG first. Let me show you that I don't have it in my library. Let's go on Store 2 and show from there too. Clearly, I don't own the game, as you can see. Now let's go to SteamDB and search for BeamNG. Copy this code, which I copy its app ID, then paste it in the box in the app, then press Add Game. Give this process a minute or two. Look, it says game added. Now we gotta press restart Steam for the game to open. Oops, it failed, but don't worry, let's restart again. Note, if the game doesn't appear, restart the Steam via Lightning. As y'all can see, the game is added successfully. Now I can press download and play it. It's not pirated, it's direct from Steam. Some games need to be bypassed, like Rockstar games. There is Bypasser in the app. It's pretty easy to use too. That's it for today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more amazing videos.